In this video, I'm going to be providing you with a Hostinger coupon code that will give you a Hostinger discount on Hostinger web hosting of up to 81% off depending on the plan you choose, plus a free domain name on select annual plans. The Hostinger discount will work for any of the Hostinger plans such as Hostinger's most popular shared hosting plans, cloud hosting, WordPress hosting, and any of the other hosting plans Hostinger has to offer. To get your Hostinger coupon code discount, click the link in the description below. I provide the Hostinger promo code to enter at checkout with the link. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link, meaning I'll receive a commission from Hostinger at no extra cost to you. Plus you'll get an awesome Hostinger discount. Now let me go over the Hostinger web hosting plans discount and how to add the Hostinger promo code at checkout, starting with the most popular Hostinger shared hosting plans, and then I'll cover the Hostinger WordPress hosting plans, ending with the Hostinger cloud hosting plans. Once you click the link in the description below, you'll be on the Hostinger shared hosting plans page. Click the Get Started button or scroll down to the next section where it lists the plans. You'll see the single, premium, and business shared hosting plans. Something to keep in mind is the Hostinger promo code will save you even more than what you see being discounted once you enter the promo code at checkout. After you choose a plan, scroll down to the total section on the next page. Enter the Hostinger promo code found in the description with the link. Once you click the plus icon, scroll back up to the top, you'll see the additional savings you'll be saving on your Hostinger hosting purchase. Here's the Hostinger single shared hosting plan discount. You'll see you can get web hosting for as low as $185 a month depending on the term you go with. You'll get a savings of up to 81% off. This plan doesn't come with a free domain name. Next up is the Hostinger Premium Shared Hosting Plan. You'll see you'll get Hostinger hosting for as low as $278 a month depending on the term you go with. You'll also get a free domain name on any of the annual plans. You'll get a savings of up to 77% off. Next is the Hostinger Business Shared Hosting Plan. You get Hostinger hosting for as low as $464 a month depending on the term you go with. You'll also get a free domain name with any of the annual plans. You'll get a savings of up to 73% off. Next is the Hostinger WordPress hosting plans. For the single WordPress plan, you'll get WordPress hosting for as low as $185 a month with a savings of up to 81% off. This plan doesn't include a free domain name. Next is the WordPress starter plan. You'll get WordPress hosting for as low as $371 a month with a savings of up to 75% off. You'll get a free domain name with any of the annual terms. Next is the business WordPress plan. You'll get WordPress hosting for as low as $650 a month with a savings of up to 62% off. You'll get a free domain name with any annual term. Next is the WordPress Pro plan. You'll get WordPress hosting for as low as $1078 a month with a savings of up to 63% off. You'll get a free domain name with any annual term. Next, let's go over the Hostinger cloud hosting plans discount. The cloud startup plan, you'll get cloud hosting for as low as $929 a month with a savings of up to 68% off. You'll get a free domain name on any annual term. Next is the Cloud Professional plan. You'll get cloud hosting for as low as $1766 a month with a savings of up to 70% off. You'll get a free domain name on any annual term. Lastly is the Cloud Enterprise plan. You'll get cloud hosting for as low as $69.99 a month with a savings of up to 30% off. You'll get a free domain name with any annual term. That is all there is to it. You've taken advantage of the Hostinger hosting coupon discount. Give this video a thumbs up and leave us a comment letting us know which type of Hostinger hosting plan you chose. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more web hosting tutorial videos.